Only 322 of you voted, so not even that many. So, all right, let's see. Start a poll here. Will the NQ end the day? Where are we at right now? We'll call this above or below 18,050. Above, below.
Stop, boy.
Flat day. All right.
Stop,
there we
boy.
go.
Stop, boy.
Will the NQ end the day above or below 18,050? Get your votes in, folks. Vote now or forever hold your pieces. Remember, the votes are anonymous, so vote what you really think. No trolling. Made comments about his... Oh, that's awful. That is just terrible. That's like... Okay, that's... Yeah. Well, then I hope he absolutely loses then. I hope it's not rigged, and I hope he absolutely destroys him. That's just wrong. That's like... That's just not even entertaining. Like, that's terrible. Oh, that's horrible. That's so stupid. Why would he say that? That's tasteless. That's disgusting. Ooh, now I hate him even more. That's terrible. What is... Does the kid have any brain cells left? What a stupid thing to say. That is disgusting. Yikes. He should bite Paul's ear off. I mean, with a comment like that, I'm all for it now. Jake Paul said that he's going to bury Mike Tyson next to his deceased daughter, which is the most tasteless, classless, disgusting thing that I think you could possibly say. I don't care what you're promoting. It's just... That's just terrible. Yeah, very sick. Disgusting. Doesn't Tyson have issues walking? I mean, from the videos that I've seen, it doesn't appear that way. I know that he's been injured, you know. Hey, Ribs, is it safe to say 50K Combine, you can think of it as every 500 drawdown costs you $12.50? I mean, I guess, sure, yeah, you could look at it like that. It's not a bad way to look at it. Like, what would that be? 50 cents or 25 cents a point, I guess, right? Tyson looked good in the training videos they showed. Yeah, I wonder if those are real or not. When is the fight? Is it in June? Is it next month? When is that fight? Good question. Let's see. July 20th? It's in July? Oh, dang. That's a long ways away. What is that, 2 months? 2 months, 14 days? Come on. There are videos of Mike struggling to walk after he was sore from a leg day. Must have been there. Yeah. Yeah, if you've ever worked out legs, you can if you work out legs really, really hard, you can have a day where you can't walk. Been following Tyson for years. Dude is in great shape and still kills it. Yeah, I agree.
Spoiled, bro.
I mean, to say that about him is just so disgusting. I can't believe you took it there. It's just, he's just like, he's a really nice guy. He's a sweet man. Very nice guy. Didn't always used to be that way, but still, he's a very nice person now. If it's a real fight, I imagine Mike has to finish him early. I mean, it's not like he's going to forget how to box, you know? Obviously, the muscle memory is going to come back with all the training. Can we get Rip's live commentary on July 20th? Maybe, yeah, it could be fun. That could be fun. Yeah, I've seen the videos of Mike training. I mean, he's still very fast.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine getting punched by Mike Tyson. Not going to feel good. We are perking up here, by the way.
All the dogs have pooped.
Let's go back to Trading View. We are perking back up. We are just, I mean, what an exciting stream this has been. We're just diddling around here. It's pretty good against Roy Jones in that exhibition fight, but that was a few years ago. Yeah, I mean, when you're as old as Mike Tyson is, what is he? 60 something? Let's see.
The dog?
How old is Mike Tyson? 57, so he's almost 60.
I love the doggy.
When you get up to that age, it's like every year is like, it's hyper speed on your
even though he's a little asshole.
Unless you're Sylvester Stallone and you're on HGH and TRT. Then you just don't age. You age backwards. I can't believe the shape that Sylvester Stallone is in. That's just shocking to me. Last professional fight was 2005. That's a long time ago, 19 years. Met Mike Tyson. Yeah, what did you think of him? I thought he was sweet. I thought he was a very, very sweet person. I play any video games? I haven't had any time to play any lately, but maybe the last good game I played, I don't know, Final Fantasy VII Remake, maybe. That was probably the last good one I played, but that, you know, it's been I haven't had any time really to play video games. I used to play, you know. Used to be a gamer. He's 75, looks 50. Yes, Sylvester Stallone. Isn't that something? Yeah, Escape from Tarkov. I've seen a lot of people playing that. Morning, Will. Good morning, good morning. Got stopped out, back in. Good for you, Celsius Lover. There you go. Iron Mike doesn't need time to work Jake Paul down. He knocked out Champs in under a minute. I mean, that's what I'm saying. If imagine getting hit by Mike Tyson, that would be like being hit by a freight train. His punches are insane. Yeah, Red Dead 2, that was a classic. Come on. I look like I played RuneScape. This is a game I never played, actually. I was more of a Diablo player myself. The video game I play is called NQ. That's the current one. Reaction time test in that one right there. Tyson is the original One Punch Man. Yeah, very well could be. Very nice, kind-hearted, down-to-earth guy. Yeah, exactly right. There you go. Too nervous to meet them? That's funny. That's crazy. Too nervous to meet the Stallones, huh? I'm sure in person he's probably just enormous, just jacked. AI search claims the statement by Jake Paul was true about Mike and his daughter. Wow. Jeez, that is awful. New future game is fun called Prop Firms. Yeah, that's the best game out there. You're normally the creative type. I like to think that I operate on both sides, right? Left brain and right brain. But you know, my creativity comes from music most of the time. That's where I'm mostly creative, is in music. Didn't really do much art. I have terrible penmanship. I write worse than a doctor. You can't read any of my handwriting. It's awful. Bitcoin and Ethereum futures are now in Top Step X. Very interesting. Playing the natural gas game this morning. How you doing over there, Ryan? Yeah, that is still pushing up. Here we are about 8 minutes away. 8 minutes from the open here, folks. 8 minutes, and then we are basically an hour away from the special announcement. So I hope you will stick around for that. Be very, very exciting here. Can you read your own handwriting? I try to avoid it as much as possible, but I can, and I'm probably the only person on Earth, Phil, that can actually read it. I love waking up to your stream every morning. It has been a part of my routine for the past 4 months now. Don't stop streaming. I'm not going to stop streaming, Skylar. I'm going to be here for you. Don't worry. Appreciate you tuning in. That's awesome. Love to hear that. That's so fun. But yeah, we're just sitting here. Oh, sorry, I don't have the. I meant to have that up. But
Come here,
just sitting here
Demo.
down with one single trade, taking a loss so far. Looking for some trades here off the open, and I'm probably gonna. Well, I'm gonna use my hotkeys to trade this off the open. See if we can get any nice solid trades here. Some quick ones. Market's still holding this push. You know, we had the right trade idea, bad trade location, got stopped out. It did dip lower than our original stop too. So if we would have taken it again for a second try, we would have got stopped out again. So I'm happier to lay off. We're gonna get a push of volume into the open here, and then probably a dramatic drop off. So I think we're good for probably a couple open trades, and then we'll see what's what. Maybe we get some continuation, maybe some displacement. No news Monday. Is it likely we'll be ranging? It could be, but we have seen these no news days kind of get away from us and get crazy. So if we do have continuation on the table, I mean, S&Ps are still holding right here on these tippy tops. We've been trending pretty strong here. Let's go to my other charts over here. Yeah, if we do start to reclaim on the S&Ps, we start to get back into that 5,200 land. Ooh, we hold 5,200s. Things could be very interesting. Not saying it's going to happen today, but things could be very interesting. You're headed over to Top Step Stream this morning. I'm going to be on for recapping with Rips in the afternoon and Power Hour, probably with Mr. Nick Dolby and Andre himself. So that'll be this afternoon. Forget who bought their house in Hidden Hills. She's a singer. Kim Kardashian. I don't know if she qualifies as a singer, but I'm sure she released some type of pop album before. Morning, did you get a haircut? I did not. Does it look like I did? Maybe. No, I didn't get a haircut. Not that I recall. Maybe my wife cut my hair while I was sleeping. I don't recall getting a haircut. Thank you so much, there, Big G. Sometimes, you know, wake up, the hair's shorter. Honey, did you cut my hair? Do you continue live streaming in the Discord? Yes, I do. Do you continue live streaming in the Discord? Or do you end at the same time you end here? I continue in the Discord. We always do a wrap call at the very least in the Discord, where we go over, we have a Q&A, go over the trades that we took. We look for any new opportunities. We talk about what's available for the rest of the day, and there we go. Hey, Rips, is Andre an experienced trader? Seems to be out of the zone quite a bit. Yeah, he is. He's a very experienced trader. He has a lot of years. Better your hair than a pop. I don't know if anybody's going to get that reference. I mean, that's like 90s lore right there.
Boy,
Wasn't that 90s or was that 80s? Good old Lorraine. Snip, snip. Ow. I forgot about that. That was a totally different world back then. That was just like, wow. That's just like crazy. If I sign up for a 7-day trial, does it start immediately? Immediately. It's 7 days immediately. But it guarantees that you get a full week of trading here.
Why?
So, if you signed up right now, you can get it
What is
until
it?
next Monday at
What is
9:25.
What is it, boys? What is it?
I just combed it this morning. That's what it was.
Let me check your
Rip's
nose.
just looking better than the previous week. That's the goal. Just keep looking better and better. Get older, look better. I
Stop biting. Stop.
don't know if it's possible. I guess if you're a vampire, right?
Stop. Cut it out.
No, that's sad. Oh man, nostalgia for me is Contra and Mario. Oh man, good games right there. Benjamin Button aging backwards. That would be
Get a good little tree
extraordinary.
here off the-
All right, we are 3.5 minutes here from the open, folks. I will get my hotkey tools here pretty soon. Remember, we got the I got 2 stream decks over here. This is my hotkeys. This is one I'm going to be using for trading this morning right here. Bow. Got that. Got this stream deck right here. Just a little double fisty on the stream decks. So we'll see if we can get some profitable trades here in the old Ninja Trader. I have old school systems in my office and my kids love to play them. Super Nintendo, Nintendo, Sega. Yeah. Ooh, Tecmo Bowl. Tecmo Super Bowl. That was the jam right there. Who was like the Raiders were really good. Bo Jackson. Maybe that was original Tecmo. Does your hotkeys have its own device? Yeah, Stream Deck. Stream Deck. Ooh, yeah, Marcus Allen. Bought a 32-key Stream Deck last week. It has already changed my life for the better. There you go, Jesus Power. Hockey Teal's not out yet there, Toby.
What's
Not
up,
gonna be out for
Christopher?
a hot minute. Rib says your XFA is not show
Early
weekly P&L in
morning.
Ninja. I can't get it to show. You have to just change the date. Just change the date. When are hotkeys being released? TBD, when they're ready. All right, 2
I
minutes,
already went and
folks.
worked
2
out this
minutes.
morning,
Over here on Ninja
sir.
Trader. 2 minutes until we go to Boomtown here.
Stop biting me.
Gonna be trading the open here in combines, mind you.
All right, man.
I opened an old pack of 90 score. Wow, blast from the past right there. Got another one of BO cards with the football pads and my favorite. Oh, nice. That's awesome. What a pull. There you go. Carl. Ribs, I have magic keys. Can I set those to your hotkeys on Ninja Trader? I'm sure that'll work just fine. You don't have to have a
Oh,
stream deck.
God.
You can
How'd
even
that
use a
go?
regular old keyboard. So yeah, you could program your magic keys to work just fine with it.
Mouse and keyboard.
All right, looks like we are pushing up here. About 1 minute out, 1 minute out. Hey, Trader Joe, good morning. Good to see you. Always appreciate your kind remarks out there in Twitter, on YouTube, on Instagram. Really appreciate you there, Trader Joe. So let's see if we can capture some alpha this morning. Try to keep it light and tight. Wow, there's a lot of liquidity. Interesting. We really want to keep this opening nice and tight here. Very, very interesting to see this. All right, here we go, folks. 40 seconds here till the open. We are blasting off. Congrats to anybody who does have this long here. Russia is looking to target British Military weapons on Ukraine's territory. That is breaking news right now. Market is rallying off that for some reason. Let's see if we can hold this push into the open here. Let's have a look. Did you miss the special announcement? It is going to be coming out in about 1 hour now. Market is opening in 15 seconds here. Wow, we are just slamming to the north side here. Still just getting a nice little pick-me-up. All right, here we go, folks. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Markets are open. Markets are coming down here. S&P's coming down a little bit here. Coming down to these 50s.
Hold this 5 AMA.
Seen some roll in the equities here. Amazon coming down. Amazon rolling. Nvidia starting to roll a little bit here. See if we give up these 50s at all. I'm gonna try a little short here. Giving up these 50s. See if we can roll on these 50s.
Order filled.
To the downside here. Watching. Looking for that break of 50s. Nice little breakdown there. See if 41s want to trade at all. Oh, big bounce there. My goodness, what a bounce. Apple is right at the VWAP. See how this is trading out here. Having some trouble getting back up. I'm going to add into that. I want to see these 50s flush.
Order filled.
Adding again. This 50 flush. Holding at these 50s, and I'm probably going to flip out of this thing. Watching here. Apple's perking up. I don't like that, but everything else is bleeding here. Not trading out yet. A lot of liquidity down here at these 50s, so we might hold here for a minute. We break. I want to see 41s trade out. That's what I'm looking for here. See if we can break these 50s with some strength here. Right now, just kind of diddling at those 50s. Okay, nice little flush here. Can we hold this breakdown of 50s? That's what I'm watching for. Adding into this as we did retest those 50s, and we are a little bit weak here. Nice move. Watching for 40s to take. I want to see a breakdown of 40s now. Wow, big rejection there at 40s, surprisingly. $50s are weak. I'm going to add into this. Apple super, super strong. Not what I want to see. Looking for a rejection at 50s.
Order filled.
Adding into that, we rejected 50s again. Give her 40s to sweep.
Order filled.
Boy, they just do not want to sell these 50s right now. Still buying these 50s up. Interesting. See if we can get this break back low below 50s here or not. I'm going to be looking to do a cover.
You get stopped out here. Close.
Watching.
Just a little more room to work.
We're at the tippy top of this volume shelf now. It's a Bid to cover coming in at those 60s. Can we break through those 60s? Watching. If we break these 60s, I do want to try an add here and then a cover.
Stop filled.
I'm just covering out there. Yeah, I was looking for those 40s to break. We were in the profit there. It just didn't cover. It just didn't look like anything was perking up. And right now, Apple's kind of the only one holding the perk. So let's see if we can get back into this. Really the only one that was
A
holding
little
that
loss
perk
there. Covered 2 for a profit. And
We were in
Stopped
the
down
profit
the
there
other
at
two
those
for a little
40s. We
loss.
just were looking for that 40-minute flush.
couldn't quite get the flush down here.
And Nvidia's just starting to run away with it too here. Yeah, perking up, sweeping new highs, watching on a pullback here. Give myself a little timeout. Yeah, I guess I could have moved my stop loss to break even there. But it was really, really tight. I was looking for those 40s to give out. I'm watching here as we're sweeping up higher. That was a big draw down at those 50s, but I just want to see if we actually have enough juice to break above these 80s now. I'll be watching here. Working up towards those 80s, sweeping those 80s and rejecting. How hard do we reject is the question. And there's a little rejection back down to the 70s. Big rejection there in Apple. Somebody's buying those 70s, however. I'm going to add into that. Try a long here. See if we can actually hold above these 70s.
Order filled.
So if we hold these 70s, looking for these 80s to trade out, we have 97 to the top side as our target. Watching on a pullback here. And stopped out. Wow. All right. So stopping out there, right at those 70s again. Let's see if we can switch on over to account here.
Just gonna get a little push up here.
So we're getting smoked on this open. Absolutely smoked. Let's see what I have here set up. And there's our burst up. I got to get this moving here. Give me a second. Switching over to a different account.
I'm giving myself
Yeah, right
Gonna put my
timing.
stop loss at
Wrong.
a little above break even, so it's a
Execution,
positive trade no matter what
unfortunately.
happens.
Should still be in that
back
long.
at even for today.
All right. Yeah, we missed that whole long now up to 37 on that. Very slight pullback that stopped us out there.
I'm gonna go ahead and
All right,
put my
90s are
stop. I'll build a
ripping and
pretty
roaring
good
now.
Profit here.
I'm trying to get a pullback on this, but it just doesn't look like we're going to get that at all. We're watching for a pullback here at all towards these 90s. I mean, we'll just add on pullbacks, I
just gonna go ahead and
suppose.
move
Coming up to
my
this
stop up
97
some more.
halves area.
Try and lock in a good bit of profit.
Yeah, S&Ps are starting
We're
to
up about
really
700
hit that rally
almost.
too. All right, see if we can retake these hundreds.
If I can get this account to hit
Above
53,000, I'm
here
just gonna go
would
ahead
be
and exit out of the
pretty juicy.
position. Because this will be
I
a
want
past
to do a
evaluation account.
pullback add to about these 80s if we can actually pull back to these 80s or not. Let's see here. Got long from 61 to 94. Nice work there, Stevie. Yeah, Nvidia's above 900 here, so if we can hold this push in Nvidia above 900, this thing should boot, scoot, and rally here. So watching for this break above at 100. Watching for a pullback to 90 as well. Our level's 97 halves, so if we break above that and we hold, we do have room all the way up to 118 with a fast move here above these hundreds. Some weak sellers as we met those hundreds. Watching.
Gonna move my stop up again, lock in a little more profit.
Still
We're
wrestling
about
just
900
underneath these
up on these
hundreds.
contracts now.
Stop filled.
We got stopped up, which is good.
Adding on that pullback to 90.
I'm gonna go ahead and add 2
Order
more.
filled.
Pull back there. push up on that pullback.
A little pullback here to 90s. Let's see if we can hold this pullback. Watching here. And stopped out. Boy, we are just out of the pocket this morning to start our morning here.
Watching.
Bodied on this open. See if we have a re-entry opportunity here. Looking here at this pullback to these 80s. We have NVIDIA still holding this push. You get filled?
Let me start pushing up a little bit here.
Hello? I pressed the wrong hotkey here. Not sure what's happening. I might have to restart NinjaTrader here. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I was looking at a buy there. I'm not sure what's happening here. Just give me a moment. Well, it's a good time to take a time out anyway.
May add into this here. Yeah,
Order filled.
to this.
Stop filled.
Got out immediately. That one hurt. That was should not have added into that, but it's all good.
And this is still just kind of wiggling up here at these 80s. Is anybody still long? Curious. Wow, up 1175 on your 50K. Nice work there, HD Fid. How do I buy the Ninja, the data package on Ninja? You don't need to have that. It's just if you want the full depth of market. It's in your Top Step platform where you can select that. So we went all the way up to our level at 97 halves there, and this is what we're looking at. We went all the way up to 97 halves. And we have kind of pulled back now. We're looking for those 71s to pull back. Trying to diagnose what's going on with NinjaTrader over here. Nice work there, Ride the Watermelon. Up $1,000. Very, very nice.
Now we're gonna get that push back up that we were looking for.
Nicely done.
Volume's pretty low right now.
So I'm probably going to wait until about 9:45 or so to take the next trade. That's what I'm going to be looking at here.
Very tempting to pull the trigger on this, but
Yeah, VWAP test all the way down at 47s. Could be a juicy trade if it gets down there. Are they trading the Top Step house account right now? I'm curious.
I don't know why the stop's still showing over here. It's not a thing.
Okay, they aren't. That's good. All right, we're just going to be watching the market here for a minute. See how this develops here. We're on wrong sides of both of it. We were long, we got stopped out. We were short, we got stopped out. Long, stopped out. So wrong
Looks
on
good
every
for
single
a
trade so
long
far.
here.
Big announcement should be coming in, what, 45 minutes now? Stay tuned. 45 minutes. Dakota is there, so nothing can go wrong. Let's see if they have a trade on yet. Let's see. No position in the house account, no position for Dakota either. Special announcement is coming soon here. No trades yet from anybody. Guess I'm the only knucklehead dumb enough to take trades this morning. We are pushing back up here. If MP looks like he's about to hit the pool on a cruise, is he, where is he right now? Is he actually there? Oh man, I wonder where he is. All right, we are popping up a little bit here. Nvidia is still ripping and rallying. Nvidia should have been my tell today. I should have been more focused on watching Nvidia. Definitely something I should have been watching there. He's in Dubai? I don't know. Is he still in Dubai?
The volume, some sellers coming in.
It's 6 p.m. where he's at? No, he must be in Dubai then. Yeah, we do have lower volume, but there's no news coming out. I was hoping that we could catch that flush down below the 40s, but unfortunately it was a completely wrong idea. We're in the profit too on that trade. I should have just taken the profit. Oh well, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, wouldas don't pay the bills, right? It is what it is. I'm still in a timeout here until... I'm going to wait until like 9:50, I think. That'll probably cool my jets a little bit. Just relax a little bit. Still no trades in the Express. Right now sitting down in my combines that were up, which is unfortunate.
Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy.
Wait until 10 a.m. That will be cheaper. For what? Wait for bank orders at 10 a.m.? Yeah, I was thinking about that too. I mean, the fact of the matter is, though, that we are holding below 97. Tesla's off to the races. Nvidia's starting to roll over a little bit. Meta's coming down a little bit too as well. So, you never know, right? Part of me really wants to get short here. That's the way that I'm looking at the market, at least. Part of me definitely wants to take the market short here. Dakota, who came up with that? I don't know. Who did come up with that one? It's one of my favorite Dakota-isms.
Trying to be patient here.
We get an employment index out of 8 point. What is this coming out of 10? Something just popped up here. Employment something index. That's gotta be not for the U.S.
Just gonna be this one.
Yeah, it's looking toppy, right? It's looking very, very toppy here, but you know, S&P is looking like it's all gas, no brakes. Let's see. Let's have a look. Let's have a gander here and see what happens. Still seeing lower participation across the board here. Had my stops at break even, but I switched them so my second stop was lower than the buy and first stop as well. So did it flip you around there?
Let's bounce off the open and range here.
MP is saying Dakota is the best futures trader in the world right now. What a BC is. I agree. I mean, at least publicly, you know, as far as like personalities, I would agree with that assessment. Of course, we don't know about the futures traders who aren't on YouTube, right? What about a 101 sweep and short down to 18,050? I mean, we still keep pushing here, so I mean, part of me now, you know, originally I was wanting to short this thing, and now it's just like we're just continuing to push. So I kind of like the idea that we're going to continue to push here. Short NQ and Nvidia hits 922. Yeah, that definitely could be it. We do have room all the way up to 18,118 halves. Orders are just continuing to stack up here. There's your sweep of hundreds.
There's a sweep higher.
So we have a little bit of a pullback here. Let me get my stream deck back on my lap.
Perfect retest of open range.
See if we can attack this once more. I mean,
Go
it's
to this
still
one
continuing
trade.
to just hold and firm up here.
That's to see Falcon.
Right. Yeah, very well could here. All right, let's see. I have to still memorize my thumb positioning on this. My hotkeys here. And we are continuing to push up still. We'll take a long here.
Order filled.
Gonna try a long here.
Still showing a lot of strength here to the top side. Watching on this pullback towards 97. Or check out this clip I made of you. Yeah, send it on over. I don't know how I'm going to see it, but yeah, send it on over. Maybe send it in the Discord there. So 97 halves pullback. We show some strength here. Looking for an ad.
Oh.
Make sure I have the right fingers on the right buttons here. Adding on that pullback. Adding again.
Order filled.
Gonna reclaim 100 again. If we reclaim 100, then we're definitely going to make our way up to 118s. Just depends on if we can reclaim it now. Microsoft's still holding above 408 here.
A little push up here. Looking for a reclaim of 100 here. If we can get a reclaim of 100, we're probably going to get a push up if we can hold it.
I'd like to see more strength than that into these hundreds. Like that. Adding into this pop. I want to see us clear out these 105s now. Some heavier orders at 103, but I think we can get through those. Zoom in a little bit here. Watching on this pullback. NVIDIA is still pushing here. There are some heavy offers there, just around 100. So if we break above that and we start to squeeze, adding
There's
to
our
that.
rest bar. If we can get a push up here. Got a double inside bar.
Adding into this push through 105 now.
A little squeezy. We need a little squeezy here.
Surprised we're not holding that push
Just
through
not giving it to
105.
us. They're just not giving it to us.
See how much we pull back here under 100 if we do.
This 100 is kind of the point of influx now. If we can get above and hold above, we're probably going to push up. If we can't, we're probably going to pull back down. Kind of in heavy here, probably.
So just watching right around here at these hundreds, we should find some bidders right underneath here. There's a bidder that I like to see. Oh wow, huge capper there at 101 now. Big capper there at 101. Not ideal, but I could refresh. Get a little sweep lower. Watching here. Okay, can we push through this 105 player or not? That's the question. Watching here. poppy.
Having
They're
a
holding
lot
these
of trouble
101s for
getting over
now.
this 100, 105
Look at
area.
that.
I don't like that push down. That's not good at all.
Watching here to see if we reclaim these hundreds. We do, potentially getting up at that 101 area again. And then readjusting our, let's see if I can time this right. Readjusting our liquidity profile as we reclaim that 101 area. Right now, point of control has moved up to about 99 or so. We're just not finding that give right through 101. Should pop right through though. Point of control is just kind of dancing between 99 and 101 here. Yeah, harsh rejection. Don't like to see that. Still holding.
Having a lot of trouble breaking over this 100. We have buyers. that
Nice
can
little
push it
draw
up.
back into those 90s. Can we hold the pop through 101?
Hopefully it's a little liquidity sweep and we get a push up here.
Watching here. Still trouble at 99s again.
Still just can't get over that 100 level.
Yeah.
Huge drawdown there.
A lot of trouble in this area. We might just get stopped out on this one here. Still holding these 90s, but I don't like how heavy it is. Let's see. Still having some trouble getting back up. Point of control just moved down to 92 as well here. Yeah, very low liquidity. It's definitely whipping around here. We do want to see that 101 player get blown out because then that brings us that 105 test. Part of me wants to, they put up a huge order 95 here. Part of me wants to kind of pull out if we don't take that quickly. And then at 95, nobody's taking it. A little concerning here. Still holding 95s. Still not swiping it. Super concerning that we're not taking that 95 liquidity. Super concerning.
And I'm about to just pull out of this trade. Protect my capital. This is
Retest of 95s.
Order filled.
Yeah, stop down.
Just gotta get up.
Yeah, definitely not my morning this morning. Getting smoked on
Horrible.
every single trade we're taking here.
Horrible trading morning.
Yeah, just getting smoked here. Unfortunate. What was the Top Step News? It's coming out here in about 33 minutes here. 33 minutes. Yeah, I liked our trade idea. Again, we got stopped out at the lows there. I liked our trade idea. We just couldn't hold out with the size that we had on. I was liking the trade. I think that we will probably test 101s, blow out 105s now. But yeah, there you go. There's your 101 test right after we get swept out off those lows. I was thinking about covering half and then refreshing, but yeah, here's the exact price action we were looking for. Yeah. This has happened twice now to us this morning, but there's our 101 test. Here comes 105. Beautiful, beautiful sweep back up to the highs there.
Jesus.
That was using
Exactly what we were
minis.
looking for,
Illustrated.
but
That was all minis.
just didn't. We got swept out first.
But yeah, ended up
Stuff.
having the right idea and
That
not
is
enough
tough.
liquidity to end up holding there. Down 2K on the combine. I'm done. Thanks for the stream rips. Well, stick around for the announcement. The announcement is coming out in 32 minutes here. This is just not the greatest price action, to be honest with you.
It's tough.
Yeah, this is why you trade combines till you're in the pocket. I agree, 100%. Exactly right. Right idea, wrong timing, and too heavy of a position there. Is what it is. So yeah, ended up not doing so well so far this morning. Definitely not the greatest price action, but this is why we do not touch our express funded accounts. To answer that question, why don't we trade express funded accounts? Well, this is a good reason why we don't trade those express funded accounts. Low liquidity because Europe is closed today. That's one of the reasons. It's also just no news today. Very no news.
Yeah, that
Hey,
was
good morning,
tough.
Vibe Trade Channel. Yeah, this is the price action we really wanted to see here. Was holding above 100s and now tickling into those 101s here. And this is what I would have liked to see had we been able to hold on to this. We would have been Up nicely. There's your 105 test there. Just looking over here at TradingView. Yeah, it was a really, really nice set. We just couldn't handle that pullback, that sweep down here that just stopped us out. Those lows, 87, I think was the low there that stopped us out. And unfortunately, we just could not hold through that much of a drawdown there. So there's that 105 test. That's where I probably would have peeled off probably about 50 to 75% of the position there. And yeah, I think we go much higher now. Yep. So yeah, that's you know, just too much size there. We did get stopped out at the exact lows. Trade ended up working out perfectly. We just did not have the wherewithal to hold into that there. Ribs, I'm about to lose my first love. Got to sell my first car. What is your first car over there? Run back to daily. 50 MA would be 18,144. Yeah, my target to the top side is 118 halves. Unfortunately, we just didn't have the wherewithal to hold it. And we do have that announcement coming out in 30 minutes here. 30 minutes, so stick around for that. The announcement is coming out in 30 minutes. So nice draw of liquidity back to the top side there. We just could not hold on that drawback. I mean, we literally got bottom ticked on that. What was our order actually at for our stop? It was 87 halves, and the low of that candle was 87 evens. So we're 2 ticks out from getting stopped out there. Unfortunate. So we are 1 minute past the top of the hour there. Trading back at this 18,100 level. Dakota's looking to get short on a Tesla 120. Interesting. Yeah, I like if we cleared out 118 halves. I like that a lot. Trader My Express just wanted 200 today in this chop. Nice work there. A trades, way to go. Nice $400 day for you. Very, very nice. It's a Volvo XC90 with a V8 4.4 liter motor produced in a collab between Volvo and Yamaha. Wow, I didn't know they had a collab. They use the same engine in the Noble M600. Very cool. What's making you get rid of that thing, Chris? Got stopped out on both my 150K plus my XFA. Finally found my footing up 1900 in my 50K. Frustrated that I killed my XFA though, kicking myself. Yeah, Chucky, I didn't like anything to trade my XFAs. It was combines only for me. I didn't like anything. None of the looks were looking good for me worth trading my XFAs, especially when we're in lower liquidity like this. Definitely a day where you want to trade either in a practice account or in a combine, something that doesn't matter as much. Still think we test 18s? Yeah, I do actually. You know, the fact of the matter is now we're holding above those hundreds. We had a perfect draw underneath there, but we are just kind of holding now. I have to leave now. Are we going to be able to know what the announcement is about later on? Yes, of course. Absolutely. 100%. I don't know, 18,000 is less and less likely as we continue moving into this fib zone. Yeah, I mean, we're still holding above 97 here. It's a shame that we drew back as hard as we did. Right down there, so 87's there. It is unfortunate. Just hit my max loss limit. Terrible day. Had a better last Friday too. I'm sorry to hear that, Legoland. Looking like shorts down to 18,050. I disagree. I think we're gonna run it up. We've been holding key areas right now, so I disagree, but I've been wrong all day, so who am I to say? Dakota's also looking at a short if we test 120s there. Think we run it up before a flush? Yeah, I mean, NVIDIA is what's really carrying the NQ right now, and the rest of the Magnificent 7 are not really supporting as much. I have no idea. Down 500. Hey, join the club. What's the Dow's ticker symbol? YM. YM is the Dow. How to determine in advance whether you're going to trade combines or no news days? Yeah, it has to do with whether or not we have a lot of participation in the market or if there's a good setup. There's nothing really much going into this. I was trying to play the price action, and we were right about the trade on this short, but we didn't close it. And then on the long, we were getting stopped out by hitting our stop on the way up. So expenses adding up. Repairs in 12 miles per hour. Wow, 12 miles per gallon. That's terrible. Looking to get an older Benz, an SL500, a V12 SL600. Ooh, that's nice. That is nice. YMCMP. MP is still in Dubai. ES has barely moved today, only up 6 points from the open. Yeah, at least it's holding it though. It's holding above 51.75, which is the key level to watch on the S&Ps today. I work for Mercedes as a tech. What do you think about the SL500 and the SL600? Is anyone else having some crazy fills with Top Step? Can somebody help out Day K in here?
Ooh, man.
Is anybody else having issues trading on Top Step or Top Step X? Yeah, no news Mondays are definitely choppy. No issues with Top Step X. Okay, well, that's good to know. Anyone has a video how to use the 60%, just click the link and check out. That's it. And when you're at the checkout, it'll show you the price that you're paying. If you don't want to pay that price, don't check out. No bad feelings, just bad trading. On Top Step X. Yeah, gotcha. Before you answer that, I'm looking at pre-2000, so bulletproof engines. There you go. Okay with Top Step X today? Okay, good to know. First trade on Top Step X and hit daily loss limit when it shouldn't. Interesting. It's funny, we've seen this exact move twice today. That's when you know that it's not your day in the market, right? That's how you know, when you run into that right there twice. Yeah, we are still holding above these hundreds here. I do like this still to the long side, because nothing's really showing us that we're going to sell here unless Microsoft and Google start to tremendously roll over. Meta's still holding up at these highs as well. Apple's still holding above VWAP. A lot of reason for the market to continue holding these highs here. I have orders that are not filling, and when I would be in the profit in the control panel, it only gives me a profit of $40 when on chart view it's showing over 300 plus. Interesting. Yep, there we go. Nice burst up. Still just sitting on my hands over here. Do you like this still from to our long side? Unfortunate we got stopped down here. Really liking this trade now. Don't like the downside here. Not clear yet. The grind higher doesn't feel honest. Yeah, I don't think it's done. And above 118 halves, we have room all the way up to 147. So I would expect that we could potentially reject at 118 halves. But yeah, some nice price action to the top side. Unfortunately, we were levered too heavy into it and got stopped out there on that drawback down to 87 quarters or 87 halves. I see below 103 handle before 20s. Below 103? Yeah. I mean, it looks like you're going to be on the ticket here.
Well,
Ride the watermelon. Nice.
Heck of a pullback.
Yeah, we are just kind of ebbing and flowing here. Lower volume, lower participation. Keep in mind, folks, we do have that Top Step announcement, special announcement coming out in 22 short minutes. 22 short minutes. Sir, how much you risked on your last trade in percentage-wise? All of it.
Trading is kind of
I put 100% of my effort into that one. Should we do a giveaway right now? What do you think? Should we do a giveaway while we're waiting for this announcement? Should we do a giveaway?
Green.
What do we think? Why not, right? We got smoked today. I feel like we should do a giveaway. What do you think? The Discord people. Only in Discord. Oh, goodness. Was able to squeeze $700 scalping the chop, not going to jump into the combine, not taking any unnecessary risks. Nice. Yo. Nice job. Here you go, turtles. Got smoked. Light it up, baby. Light it up. Yeah, I think we should do a giveaway. Why don't we do a quick giveaway? Might as well. For everybody who's stuck around. My true homies in here. I'm surprised too. It's probably a good mix of lovers and the haters. I lost my MC access today. How'd you lose it? What happened? You gotta find it. Check under your refrigerator, see if it's there. All right, let's see. Do a giveaway here. Channel member luck. We're gonna jack it to 10x. We're gonna do keyword here. All right, keyword's gonna be just like this. And let's end the poll here, by the way. Let's see. We should have ended this a while ago, but people are saying above is the winner. 879 votes. There you go. Is that a Darvis box? It's whatever you want it to be at this point. I give up. Here we go. The keyword today, folks, is smoked, because that's what happened to me today. I got smoked in this price action. Absolutely smoked. Type in the word smoked. This is for a free month of Clubhouse. Smoked is the key word, folks. Like a piece of meat, like a nice tasty brisket where the meat is nice and tender like and just falls right off the bone there. Smoked is the key word. That's the one. Like a piece of meat. I had to step away to get a shower and fill my water tank. Water going off in 5 minutes to 4 or 5 hours. Ooh. Gotta love when you have to shower around whatever the city tells you that day, right? Yeah, we're turning off your water. That's awesome, Turtles. Well done. See the price action below those 103s? Yeah, it's... I'm telling you, I'm not reading the market well. Don't listen to anything I'm saying today. I'm reading the market terribly. It's usually on low liquidity days where I have my worst reads in the market. But yeah, we got smoked today. Absolutely smoked. Max loss after max loss after max loss. No good. I wonder if Dakota's short now. Did he hop in a short on that perk up towards 118 halves? Because now Nvidia's starting to roll it over here. Full port 50K XFA in 2 days, 5 days later, pay for your water heater. Oh goodness. All right, let's do the roll here when we get to about 325 or so. Markets are coming down here, by the way. We are starting to roll over. This is the 1 minute chart. Never trade off the 1 minute, but at least we can illustrate what's happening in the markets here. But yeah, absolutely smoked today. That's why the keyword is smoked. Just type in the word smoked one single time. We'll do the roll here in, let's give it 25 seconds here, folks. 25 seconds. Now, to claim the giveaway, it's very easy. All you have to do is just be following me here at Selling Rips on Twitter, on Instagram. We're very close to 20,000 followers on Twitter. Very close to 5,000 on Instagram. We should be able to get there. But smoked is the key word here, folks. Smoked is the key word. Absolutely smoked. All right, we're going to do the roll here in 10 seconds. 10 seconds, everybody. Type in that keyword smoked. We got 337 eligible right now. He didn't answer because it sunk back down too quickly, so he's waiting. Very patient, very patient. Yeah, live account, you want to be extra patient, right? Extra patient. All right, folks, we're rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, and Blue Sky Z. Are you with us? You've won a free month of Clubhouse. Blue Sky Z. Just type in your Instagram or Twitter handle. Calling for the reroll already. We're going to get you on the clock here starting now. You are on the clock, my friend. You are on the clock. Okay, here is not a username. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, hold on. Wait for it. Let's see if you are following. I'm going to check here on Twitter first, as I always do. I don't think it's a Twitter username. It must be on Instagram. Okay, and there it is. IG, you already told me. All right, let's see here. Underscore Blue Sky Z. Hey, there you go. Give it up for Blue Sky. Give it up. You have won. Okay, congrats. Free month. All right. Sweet. I'll send you that coupon later today. Congrats there. Nice work. Nice and easy there. Nice job, Blue Sky. Way to go. That's what I'm talking about. Where do we write our IG? It's only if you win, Joker. Only if you win. I want to go over to Bookmap right now and watch this price action with you folks. I'm actually going to run another poll here. I'm going to run another poll because I am curious. All right, vote honestly here. I am actually curious about your feedback here because I know that I'm out of the bucket. I'm reading the market like garbage today. It's not the market's fault. It's my fault. It's this guy. I absolutely can't read the market today. So let's see. I'm very curious about it. Wow, it's like a 50-50 split here. Because I'm reading the market like complete garbage today. This is probably the worst reads that I've had. I mean, wanting to have that flush below the 40s. Like, come on, Rips. What are you doing, buddy? I can't wait to journal that trade. That's like knuckleheaded moment of the week already. Going to the left? Well, it's got to go to the right. I don't think it's... If the chart starts going to the left, I think we're in some serious trouble. I really do. We are 2 rips. Today is horrible. Hey, join the club there, Kofifi. Me and you, buddy. Whew. Just happy I didn't tickle into my XFAs at all. It's going to shoot 50 points higher? My goodness. See, I'm with you on this. I think that we're going to make higher highs than this. And that's where I'm like, if I'm reading it that way and you're seeing it that way, you know, I don't know. I wouldn't trust my read today. You know, I wouldn't be trusting my read today. Add a third option for people that don't know. I want you just vote what you're feeling. Vote where your feel is right now. Wow, 57% are saying that we're going to go higher. The question, but how much higher? I mean, are you talking like 10 points higher? I mean, geez Louise. I mean, I think we're going higher too, but I'm reading the market like total garbage right now. How much in one? I think it's going to be a choppy range day. Well, it's certainly doing a good job of chopping people apart, right? We can see that. It's getting people comfortable on both sides, right? Got the long super comfy up here, took them out. Now it got the short super comfy down here on this breakdown, and now it's taking them out. So could just be a woodshed type of day where it's just the market's continually taking people behind the woodshed and just smashing them. Never short a quiet market. Ooh, I like that, Rhodes Runner. I like that one a lot. Directional chop, quick pushes into liquidity breaks and rinse and repeat. I could see that. Yeah, I could see that. Am I in a position? No, I'm completely flat. You can see right there. Completely flat. Yeah, look at this. It perks up, rolls over, holds the roll. Looks like it's going to fake back down. Ends up perking back up.
You want to tell Chris?
Used to smoke behind the woodshed. Well, I got smoked behind the woodshed today. Chopping at the point of control. Yeah, we saw. Look at the movement in the point of control. This is where we were originally. This is where we got stopped out right here. But this blue line, you can see the point of control went here and here and here and here and here. It was all over the place. So this was like a nice distribution area. So if we didn't get that perk down, we would be sitting in a totally different ball game over here. Got my entire back porch painted red.
Should have took it short right here.
Sounds like my day today, GV. 126 to 200 today. Let's see. Did I see that? Yeah, potentially. Like 195 quarters, maybe. I don't know. What do I know? I'm not reading this market well at all. We are coming back down here, so we didn't make a high. We made a lower high right here. We are coming back down. We are looking to break this area of the structure now. Going back to trading view here, we are having a little bit of a structural breakdown.
Order filled.
Let's see if it's a fake out, right? If it's a fake out or not. We come down here. We currently are rolling over. Anybody short in this move right now?
A 5 EMA
Getting a
here,
little bit
though.
of this alpha to the downside. Those
Or the
fails
21 EMA on the
reclaim.
5-minute chart.
J. Patrick was short in spirit. Short in spirit. Shocking news. AMC just declared billions of debt. Hollywood actors going on strike. Bankrupt. Interesting. I don't have any news about that. Let me see. I think you might be lying. AMC does not have that news out right now, at least from what I can see. You got the short on, Jesse James. Good on you. Way to stick to your guns there. Your 6 shooters. By the way, folks, 12 minutes from the special announcement, if you are sticking around in here, we are 12 minutes out from that very special announcement. Rip says cap. And that sounds like it's definitely some cap there. And short at 97. Nice, doggy. Yo, there you go. And as I'm saying that, look at it. I'm finding some way to perk back up here. Woof. This is a rinsing session. I probably won't trade my XFAs today. Now that I'm looking at this, I kind of just think I made the decision there. I don't think that I'm going to be trading my XFAs today. But I think this special announcement will definitely cheer me up a little bit. I think that's for sure. Special announcement is going to be from that Christmas story where it goes, don't forget to drink your Ovaltine. Yep, it very well could be. You just never know.
I'm gonna add into this here.
A lot of greed now going higher. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy, right? I'm going to go back to Bookmap over here. This is crazy price action here. It's trapping people on either side. It looks like it's a very beautiful short. We had a nice little breakdown, and then we have a big old candle there that's sweeping that liquidity into shooting star now. Tops Up is giving away a new GT $5 million race car. How did you know? Who leaked that to you, Quinn?
Stop filled.
Yeah, take out Cantor, go higher. I don't know if I believe it today, Sir Noodles. I don't know if I believe it. Wow, look at you. Ride the watermelon. Did you lock yourself out yet? That might be a good time to do it. You never know. Wow, look at this coming right back down again. My goodness. Yeah, I don't trust as much. Whoa, Luna. Oh my goodness, look at that. Making it happen. There you go. Staying nice and green on this price action. I love to see that. There you go, Luna. Apple's starting to roll over. Nvidia's starting to roll over here. Microsoft not. Microsoft says, hold on a minute, folks. Amazon too, just kind of holding these lows here. Oh, this price action. I tell you, my heart rate has since gone down since I stopped trading my combines here. We were up there. We were up there a little bit. I mean,
today.
It was 15 lots, pulled pork, you know.
Today.
We were up there for
today.
sure.
Great day
Stop Step
Thursday,
News,
great day
right.
Friday, great day last Wednesday. Today
Yeah, Luna
kinda
is an
rough.
MC vet. Luna's super. Love Luna. 2 losses, 10 wins. Hey, there you go. That's great. What a win rate. That's awesome. Winning 10 out of 12 trades is super stuff. Do you think the whole week is going to be somewhat like this, Rips? Good question. Good to see you, Trader Page. Is it going to be like this whole week? No.
Order
Wednesday
filled.
Will probably be bringing some better price action. As well as
Order filled.
I think that maybe we'll get an injection of liquidity around whenever that loan officer survey is going to come out. I don't know when they're going to release that. Spirit Airlines says the engine recall may ground 70 of our aircraft by the end of 2025. Let's dump in. Let's go into save. My goodness. Think Top 7 News will move the market? Yes, I do. 100%. Now, keep in mind, this is going to be the first of many special announcements. This is announcement number 1. This is the very first one, the very special one. So I do appreciate you folks sharing your morning with me, even though we're taking it in stride, taking those losses, getting smoked today, even though we're getting smashed apart. Is this the start of the summer slowness? No, I don't think so. We have so much data that can move around the market right now. I don't think so. But this is not a great market. This is not my type of market to trade. Obviously, you can see that. Almost out of combines for the month, 180 degrees from last month. Is that good? Mike Z, out of combines means you're passing, right? Passing combines. Practice is doing well, down 1,500 in combines. Sorry to hear that.
Switch over to my.
I don't know what
account here.
what you mean by that there, Mike. Coming back up to test these hundreds. I mean, look at this. Just the way the order flow is moving around. This is on very low liquidity right now. We are 7 minutes away from the announcement. The announcement is that there will be more announcements. That's the pre-announcement. Oh, you're blowing them. Gotcha. I see. Well, slow down. On days like today, right? If combines are a rip in the wind to you, trade your combines. Days like today, if combines are not a rip in the wind to you, trade on your practice account. It's okay to miss a day of trading. Like, I'm not going to trade my XFAs today. I've decided. Am I going to make the announcement here? I am. I am going to make the announcement here. That is what I'm going to be doing. I wonder if, are they hinting at anything yet on Top Step TV? I'm curious. Are they saying anything yet over there? Nothing yet, right? I bet you know what it is. Oh, I do. Believe me. I absolutely do know what it is. I'm not allowed to say it. I could really upset a lot of people if I said it. I would never. I'm on Team Top Step here. I'm a big fan of this company. I would never I would never want to drop it early. I'm sure somebody out there may have dropped it early, you know. I'm looking over. They haven't taken any trades in the house account. Dakota's got no position on, so I don't think he's traded at all, which is smart. Is it big? Big for clients? Definitely. It's going to be a great announcement. I will say this. It is a special announcement. It is a special announcement. That's as far as I will take it right now. It's out in 5 minutes. I think you normally crush these markets, but the style of adding into a Momo continuation won't work. But your reads were spot on. Just none of them got the follow through. But when you got your short or long, it went your way before running the other way. I think it was the continuation that hurt you, not your read. Yeah, I agree. It's definitely my style, right? My style definitely was my my Achilles heel today. But yeah, like we were up. I think in one position, we were up $700 in that first short. I wanted the fade of 40s. And I thought we would have got that, you know. I thought we would have got that fade below because, you know, we could have. The liquidity draw I was looking for was down at like 38s or so, and we rejected at 40, 42. God, I could have moved my stop. I could have covered half. There's a lot of. I'm going to review it. Obviously, I'm going to journal the crap out of it, but there's a lot of different things I could have done. All your trades were green before red. Yeah, you know, but it happens. It happens all the time. Is Top Step a publicly traded company? They are not. Made money off your reads, so thank you for that. Hey, there you go. Yeah, right reads, stubborn. Like I said, I'm going to journal it. I'm going to go through it. Was it my hungry eyes? I don't know about hungry eyes. I think it was just more the style that I trade. Maybe you could call it stubbornness, but definitely, you know, not doing the right things, not trading the markets effectively, not doing what I should have been doing. It's all on me. All of the losses 100% are my fault. I would never blame the market. 100% all my fault. But there's certain adjustments I could have made in my trading. And this is where journaling comes through. This is why I journal. Every single day I journal all of my trades. Thankfully, you know, if I trade outside of YouTube, I'm recording my screen otherwise. But I can go back and I can watch my YouTube stream and I can see exactly what I did wrong. And then I write down all my notes and then I read it before I go to bed. I read it the next morning. But yeah. Do you trade your combines the same way as your XFAs? Usually, but like, you know, I wasn't today. On the second trade that I took, I mean, it was 15 contracts in that. So no, absolutely not. I wouldn't be doing that in XFAs. There's no way. What about the bots? Hard to beat? Well, on lower liquidity, I mean, that's why I use hotkeys. There's no excuse though. I could have covered in the profit. You know, there's a lot of things I could have done. It's not, the market didn't do anything it wasn't supposed to do. It was my trading that got me into trouble today. That's it. It's just as simple as that. I did not have good enough trading to match the markets today. I was less skillful than I needed to be with the trading of the markets. Do you have a video of both writing and reviewing your trading journal? I keep my journal private, but I talk about it in the psychology webinar, how you should journal, and I can share that template if you're in here. It's not a big deal. Everybody's an excellent trader in hindsight. Better to be true with yourself and journal or capture data in a way that advanced tools can help you for the future. Next time, I was biased long last night. As a caveat, there you go. Yeah, this is why journaling is so powerful. You know, you go through where you had your missteps, you go through everything. And I was on the wrong side of the trades when there's just a lot of different things that I get done. Do you have a favorite Alvin and the Chipmunks movie? The Christmas one, classic one. Do you trade? Market is bouncing in anticipation of the top 7 announcement. Very well could be, right? Market's being propped up right now by the Top Step announcement. By the way, it's coming in about 90 seconds here, folks. 90 seconds. 90 seconds is when we have the announcement coming out here. If you can believe it, it's 90 seconds away. Oh my goodness gracious. 90 seconds, folks. 90 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds till the big announcement, folks. That's right. Oh, yeah. Who's ready for this one? Who's ready for it? Who's ready? I wonder if Bloomberg's going to have the announcement. Maybe they're going to talk about it. The announcement is you have to do 12 check-ins now. Yeah, you're very close. We are now inside 30 seconds, folks. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, folks. 30 seconds. Alrighty, folks. Here it comes. Alrighty, folks. Here it is. Here's your announcement right here. You can get started trading on Top Step X. It is now released. You can start trading now for $19. $19 if you use the code TOPSTEPX. The code is TOPSTEPX. TOPSTEPX is the code. Let me show you how this works here. So, let me show you how this works. They're playing some wild music right now. Let's see here. So you go here, select any account that you want. I gotta go through this. Hold on, let me bring it up on my other browser here. So click that link in chat. It's bit.ly/TopStepX. Here's the announcement that I posted.
Potentially a short here.
So let me show you what this looks like here.
Order filled.
All right, so this is what this looks like over here.
God.
Go to the
Got a
50K.
little profit. Just got bought
Pick
right
Top Step
up.
X as your platform. Go to next. Promo code.
We're
Top
filled
Step. Oh, let me bring this over a
About
little bit.
$2 late on the fill there.
Top Step X. Click apply. Boom. 19 bucks. And get this. If you, well, that's not correct. There we go. And if you want to do on the 150K, do the 150K, you can do, oh, now we're getting a little site crash. But so the new prices for this promotion for for the coupon code TOPSTEPX is $19 for a 50K. For the 149, you put in the promo code TOPSTEPX. It's gonna be, if it ever loads, 119 bucks. And then for the 100K accounts, it's 69 bucks. And you can buy an unlimited amount of these. You can buy as many as you want. There's no limit on the amount of combines that you can have, but there you go. There's 119 for the 150Ks, $19 for the 50Ks, and $69 for the 100Ks. And it's for as long as you have the account, and you can buy as many as you want. And the coupon code is only gonna last for about a week or so. So again, here's the promo code. You type in TOPSTEPX, just like that. And there, 69 bucks. The best savings, of course, are on that 50K account. The 50K account. And again, you're not limited to only 5 accounts. If you want to buy 10 accounts, 20 accounts, 100 accounts, whatever floats your boat, get TOPSTEPX. It's open to everyone. Now, the other great thing, folks, is that the micros to minis conversion is working as well. So for 19 bucks, you can trade up to 50 micros or 5 minis. It's not 5 micros anymore. It's 50, 50. So 19 bucks a month. You can't beat it. You can see right up here, 19 bucks is the monthly cost now for TOPSTEPX. And you can get as many as you want. Does anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions here? Here's the, let me post the link again here. If you missed it, right here. There's the link. Trade copier is built into TopStep as well, TopStepX. The code should be good for this whole week. I don't know how long it will last, but at least for this whole week. The rebuild does stay at $19. The rebuild does stay at $19. You can get as many as you want. There's no limit on only 5. You get as many as you want. There you go.
Just gonna go for
You
a
do
little
pay, when you pass over to the
5 point
XFA,
count
it's still the same
86.
activation fee.
my
It's a
God.
one-time fee. I don't know about resets being 19, but you can use the code. You can just buy another account for that same code. This is only for TopStepX. Only for TopStepX.
I like that huge push up there.
So 19 bucks. I mean, you can't beat it, right?
Holding this
You really can't beat it.
TNEMA.
It does rebill at $19. So on Top Step X, this will replace the code right here is Top Step X. The code is, you can see it right here. The code is Top Step X. So if you have a promo code, you type in the code Top Step X, you click apply, it'll give you $19 combines. And if you want to trade a 150K combine, it's $119. If you want to trade a 100K combine, it's 69 bucks. You can trade as many combines as you want. The max number of XFAs is 3. But again, there are going to be more announcements coming, so stay tuned for that. There's going to be more announcements. This is the first of many announcements. You can switch from Quant to Top Step X. All you have to do, again, all you have to do is just sign up for an account. That's it. Is the market open? Of course it's open. It's been open since yesterday. Yeah, there you go. So $119 a month for the 150K, $69 a month for the 100K, or $19 a month for the 50K. What about the 5 that you have at 450? Those will continue to rebill until you pass those. You can buy as many as you want with that code. As many as you want. Unlimited amount of combines at this price. How did the market react to the news? You can't beat it, right? The code is probably going to be done at the end of this week. What is the rebill next month? 19 bucks. $19 right here. $19 per month. It rebills at 19 per month. How hard was it to keep the secret? I didn't like that I saw other people leaking it, but I'm never going to leak that. I would never do that. Does Top Step X have copy trading? They do. They have it built in. There's a built-in copier trader. You can trade 10 micros to 1 mini. So on the 50K account, you could trade 50 micros day one. You could trade 100 micros on the 100K and 150 micros on the 150K day one. Day one. Sorry, Rip, my audio went out, but if you have to reset, is it 19 or the normal price? If you want to reset, just buy another account at 19 bucks. I think the resets are normal price, but just buy another account. Can't beat it though. I mean, 19 bucks to trade on Top Step X. Can't beat that. Just bought a few thousand accounts. Let's go. There you go, Luna. There you go. Just buy about 10,000 of those, right? Does the deal include Market Clubhouse membership? Yes, it includes 14 years free of Market Clubhouse. Website is slowed right down. Yeah, imagine there's a lot of people taking advantage of this deal right now. Keep in mind the coupon will continue to work through the end of this week, I believe. I'll keep you posted on that. How bad are spreads gonna be on that? No. Not even, nope. Ain't even like that. Spreads are great. You're using a futures market. This is not a CFD market. So yeah, the 150K combines. Let me show you this again. I mean, it's probably frozen, but I want to keep this up here.
Just gotta see where this closes.
So between now and Monday, May 13th, that's when the code is going to expire. Between now and Monday, May 13th. So you can get as many combines as you want. And it's for lifetime. This $19 is for life until you pass the account. So it's going to remain at 19 bucks a month. The link is pinned to the top of the chat there, but I'll post it again. I'll post it right here. It's bit.ly/TopStepX, just like that.
Order filled.
Is Top Step's withdrawal after 30
Order
days?
filled.
No. 5 days, my friend. 5 days. 5 days of profit, $200 or more. Get a withdrawal. That's right. All right, I'm going to do a little Twitter post here. Alrighty, there we go. Yeah, you can stack as many as you want, folks. 19 bucks a month, you can't beat it. 50K combine, 19 bucks. You have to remember, Top Step rarely ever does sales. So when they have this type of thing, I mean, you have to take advantage of it. You get to use the new platform. You can use the 10-to-1 micros to minis conversions. It's amazing. It's to me, that's kind of like the no-brainer there. Especially if the thing is that I would say is that if you're struggling to pass combines, you could load up on these combines and then you're just rotating. Trade a combine. If you do well, rotate to the next one. Maybe you don't do so well, rotate to the next one. With 150K, the code is 119, so it's 119. I don't want to crash the site, but let's see. See if I can show you what it looks like on all of these. So again, I have the link pinned to the top of the chat here. I'll post it again. There's the link that I have pinned to the top of the chat. That's all you need to do, folks. Let's see here if I can show you what it looks like on the 100K. And let's see on the 150K, so I can show you what all the discounts look like here. There's a lot of traffic on the site right now, but they are actually handling this pretty well. So cancel Trade of 8 Combine and change to Top Step X. That's how it's done. Sorry, I'm still new to combines. Yeah, I would say that. I would say cancel your Trade of 8 one and switch over to the Top Step X, because you can actually use the 10 micros to every single mini in Top Step X, which is great. All right, let me show you what this looks like on the other price points. Let me bring this on over here. All right, so again, this is what this looks like.
This. Never even played Pal World.
So this is the 50K combine. You can see it's 19 bucks a month. The 100K combine ends up being $69 a month, and this is until you pass. This is not just for your first month. And then on the 150K combine, it's $119 a month. So the website's working for me right now, but there you have it. So $19.69 or $119 using code TopStepX. So again, this is the platform where you can actually trade 50 micros, 100 micros, 150 micros, depending on the account size that you see. Is the activation fee, the XFA, the same price? Yes, it's the same price. They're not changing the activation fee. Can you make trades from Ninja? No, you cannot. It's only on TopStepX platform.
There's our spoil.
That's the one. When you pass, there is an activation fee. It's a one-time fee, lifetime fee. Where's the platform? So it's on TopStepX. When you go to your dashboard, you click a button that says Launch TopStepX.
Hey dear, buddy.
You can grab as many as you want there, Anish. As many as you want. And this monthly rebill will remain at that price until you pass that combine. The reset cost, so I would say that instead of resetting, just buy another one. I think the reset fee is still the same. I could be wrong, but I would just say, hey, just buy another one. That's all I would do. I wouldn't even bother resetting, just buy another one. The sale about to feed my gambler YOLO mindset. I mean, honestly, you know, at 19 bucks, you know, you know, and the fact, like the thing with the $4.50 combines is that you only get 5 of them, and like 5 of them and they're gone, you know, versus like this, it's like, you know, I don't want to encourage that type of behavior, but I'm just saying, Top Step rarely ever does deals, and if you're having trouble passing, like this could be the day, you know, this could be the antidote. What is the code? TopStepX, right there, TopStepX. Just type in the code TopStepX, and again, $19, $69, or $119. We needed that deal for FOMC week. Yeah, it's valid for a week. The code will work until next Monday at midnight. Next Monday at midnight. Got a question. Can you ask them to do a box with how many accounts to choose? Yeah, I know, right? Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be great so you don't have to keep rebuying? To pass, just YOLO it, then treat XFA with carry. You know, that's definitely a possibility now with the fact that these are only 19 bucks. Is there a buffer you need to get over to withdraw? No. On the XFA, it's 5 days of $200 or more, not consecutive, just any 5 days where you made $200 or more, you can request a withdrawal. You can still only have a maximum of 3 XFAs, but again, there's going to be more announcements coming soon. I don't know what they are. I'm just the messenger here, folks. I'm just the messenger. All future rebills are $19. That is correct. Until you pass. Until you pass.
A little push down coming here.
Can I use TradingView on Top Step? It is built into Top Step X. It is built in. So TradingView is actually built in. They need to do no activation fee. I mean, you could abuse the pants off that then, right?
What is this volume? Jesus.
$19 for a 50K account. That is correct. $19 right there. And it rebuilds at $19. It doesn't jump up or anything. And again, I will say this. Top Step, as far as I know, rarely ever does sales. Once they're gone, there's no... They don't come back. They really don't come back. Like these sales, they last and then they're gone. Like anybody who didn't get picked for the $4.50, think about it. With the $4.50, the thing is that you had those 5 and then that's it. You blow those 5, it's gone. This is like, you know, if 20 bucks is a rip in the wind to you, you should be able to pass with this. I'm just saying, right? You should be able to pass. It's not like that going out of business. You folks that have been trading on Top Step long enough, you know that they never do promotional sales. There's other funding companies out there that do sales 90% off, 80% off. Top Step is not one of those companies, right?
87, 70.
Next announcements around the corner, Big K Daddy. Right around the corner. How long is the sale for? 1 week. 1 week. Any codes to get you commissions? If you just click that link in the chat that I've pinned there, just this link that I pinned in the chat. I'll drop that again here. If you click that link, it shows your support here. You don't need 10 accounts. No, you get as many as you want. You can trade 1 account. If you want to trade 1 account, trade 1 account. So there it is, folks. Any other questions? Can you trade an XFA out for a bigger one? No, you cannot. Whatever you pass is what you get. You cannot modify the size of your XFA, no matter what, unfortunately. All right, show how to get on Top Step X. Let me do that. Let me show you real quick here. Let me see if it...
Stop filled.
Can you buy it once? Just one at a time. One at a time is what you can buy. So this is what it looks like over here. Let's see if we got this here. This is what Top Step X looks like right here. You can see I have my 50K accounts here ready to go, ready to copy. This is the trading view charts that you get real time. This is real time data from the CME here. It shows you the spread, shows you the bid and the ask, shows you which account you're using. Right now I'm in the micros. If I wanted to trade this, let's do a chat trade here. What do we want to do? We want to go long or short here? I'm thinking long because this is holding. How about a long? We thinking longs? 450 for lifetime until you pass, but the problem is that you can't just rebuy. All right, let's do a long. I like that. We'll go long here. And we'll put our stop right down here. Isn't this great? You can drag your stop around, and then you can drag a profit target as well, which is really cool. So we'll take 1 contract long here. I am copying across 5 of my accounts right now in the 50K level. Thank you for that there, Driz. Let me go ahead and post that in chat, actually. So you folks can see this here in the Discord as well. Let me get that zoomed in there. So there's the new pricing there. Oh, wow, look at that. We're already getting paid here on our long. Great work, chat. See, I should have just been asking you from the onset here what we're going to do. Where do we put our take profit? Like somewhere in these topping areas here? Like right somewhere like right there? That's good for an $18 trade. Copied across 5 accounts. We'll take that. Then a $90 trade. Hoo-wee. Top Step X is the discount code all week long. That is correct. Say 110s. Ooh. think we get up there? So this is the Top Step X platform right here. You can trade on the micros. Look at all the products they have to trade now. Look at all these products that you can trade on Top Step X now. Wow. You got all the currencies that you can trade here. You can trade currency pairs now. You could trade Ethereum and the Bitcoin futures. I believe those are in here now, if I'm not mistaken. I swear somebody said that those were in there this morning. I'm probably just scrolling past them like a knucklehead. But there you go. This is Top Step X. This is the platform right here. It's directly connected to the CME. It's very quick, very snappy. Let's see if we get filled here at 102s. You can see up here, this is my unrealized profit and loss. This is my realized profit and loss. This is the commission that I'm paying. It's commission free. All you're paying for are the, oh gosh, what is it called? The exchange fees. That's it. You're paying for the exchange fees. How much is Top Step X per month? Right here. $19, 19 bucks. That's it, 19 bucks. Oh, we got, look at that. We got our profit there as I was looking at the deals there. Look at that. We hit our profit, copied across 5 accounts there. Holy smokes, look at that. I didn't know this. You turn on Top Step X and you just win. That's incredible. I can't believe that. There is a built-in trade copier. You can see right here, I am copying to, this is my leader account right here, and I am copying it to my follower accounts right here. Look at that. So I'm copying it to 5 different accounts there. It's a built-in trade copier. Right there, you just saw, I just made $85 there. Copied across those accounts with one little trade just like that. Bingo, bango. Isn't that something? I think we should do group trades more. Let's do another one. What do we say? Let's do another one here, folks. What are we looking at here? What are we looking at? And then we'll wrap up the YouTube stream here. But like I said, the link is pinned to the top of the chat. I will drop it a couple more times here. Right here. The code to use is Top Step X. And again, it looks like this. 19 bucks a month for the 50K combine. 69 bucks a month for the 100K. 119 for the 150K. I mean, this is a crazy deal. If you're having trouble passing combines, this is your antidote right here. I mean, there's no excuses right now. No excuses. So
Stop filled.
5 a week. I don't know. I feel like I'm got my long hat on again. We got some longs, relong it. Lockout button. Oh, that's right. You have a lockout button too, folks. Remember that. You get the lockout button right here. So let's just say you're all done trading for the day. You click that button and then boom, you can lock yourself out.
All right
Right there, just like that.
Take a break.